Well, that's a very common problem in newborns. Oftentimes they'll have a blockage of their tear duct, and we see that very, very frequently. Best treatment for parents to use at home is just a clean washcloth with warm water to wipe it out gently, or a clean cotton ball with warm water and just wipe it out. Sometimes you have to soak it a little bit so the baby can open up their eye because it'll be crusted shut in the morning.
So no need to go and purchase over-the-counter type medications or anything like that?
No, this is the very simple treatment at home and it's safe.
Okay.
So we have little baby here who does not have an eye discharge at this time, but we're going to demonstrate how to clean if the baby were to have a discharge. So oftentimes when they wake up in the morning, it'll be kind of crusted right in here and the baby has difficulty opening up the eye. So we will just take either a cotton ball with warm water or just a nice clean soft washcloth and I already put this in water so they're both wet. And then we're going to just gently clean her eye. So we'll say this eye is drainage. We're going to just clean from the inside. Just gently wipe it like that, and then we can even just kind of get another clean surface, and if we need to we can wipe it again. If it's really stuck crusted, you can just let this rest on her eye. The water's gotten a little cold by now, so she doesn't like it, but in warm water they usually do that better, and then you can just gently clean it like that, and then you can get another clean piece and do the other side.
Does the temperature matter?
If it's warm, it'll feel better for the baby.
Okay.
If it's cold, she won't like it.
Okay.
So I just use warm water with just a nice clean soft washcloth or a cotton ball and warm water. And you can do that as often as you need to if the eye is all crusted up or draining a lot.